Good morning to all. Myself, Mr. Mangilal, Assistant Professor in JECRC Foundation. Today we are going to introduce Electronics and Devices Lab. In this lab, our object is plot the output waveform of half-wave rectifier and effect of filters on waveform, also calculate its ripple factor. In this experiment, we will include course outcome 2 according to RTU, and it is verify the rectifier circuits using diodes and implement them using hardware. So in half-wave rectifier, we have required apparatus are experiment kit, CRO, digital multimeter, CRO probe, patch cords for connecting wires, and power supply. So the introduction of half-wave rectifier is a half-wave rectifier circuit converts only one half cycle of the applied AC signal into pulsating DC. The other half of the applied signal gets suppressed as the circuit allows. Condition in one direction only. The circuit of half-wave rectifier consists of a step-down transformer, semiconductor diode, load resistor, etc. Application of half-wave rectifier. The half-wave rectifier generally used in power supply section. It is also used in almost in all electronic equipment and appliances. This is also an application of half-wave rectifier. It is used in UPS, uninterrupted power supply, and it is also used in computer. This is the circuit diagram of half-wave rectifier. Here we are using a PN junction diode, load resistor, and a step-down transformer. This is the circuit diagram with its output waveform. Here in this diagram, we are showing input and output waveform both. This is the circuit diagram of half-wave rectifier with its input and output waveform in on condition. Working of PN junction diode or half-wave rectifier. In its working, first we will apply AC signal in the primary of transformer. This transformer will step down this voltage, and this voltage will apply at the positive terminal of the PN junction diode. Due to this positive terminal, diode will be in forward bias and it will act as a short circuit. Due to this short circuit, we will get output voltage across load resistor RL, and in the waveform we will get pulsating waveform at the output side because of diode, because diode act in unidirectional. These are the waveforms of the half-wave rectifiers. Here we see we are applying sinusoidal waveform, and in output we are getting pulsating DC. This is the calculation of ripple factor. For ripple factor, we have required VAC, VDC, and then ripple factor is VAC upon VDC. Ripple factor means unwanted AC signal in output waveform. So its theoretical ripple factor is 1.21 approximate. Now here we will explain about half-wave rectifier experiment. In half-wave rectifier, we have to convert VAC into VDC, and we have to calculate its ripple factor, that is VAC upon VDC. So first we will see what is VAC. Here in this experiment kit, it is our transformer, step down transformer. So its output voltage of transformer we will observe on CRO. It is AC voltage. This is your input wave AC signal. Now we will convert this AC signal into pulsating DC using half wave rectifier. So for that we will design a circuit. So transformer's positive terminal is connected to positive terminal of diode, and diode's positive terminal will be connected to this resistor, and resistor's second terminal will be connected to transformer. And this is our circuit diagram complete. And now we will take its output on CRO, output waveform. So we will see that it is in pulsating form. It is called half wave rectification of input signal. So we have seen that our input was sinusoidal waveform and output is in pulsating form. So we can calculate its VDC from here. So after calculating VAC, we know VDC, this is our VDC. So we can calculate ripple factor VAC upon VDC. If we apply a filter circuit, then what happens? So for that filter circuit, I can connect this output here, and I will see its output. It will be looks like that. So this is our DC. After filter, we are getting DC voltage, pure DC. So this output is across filter circuit. So in this way we will calculate its ripple factor, and we are seeing that half wave rectifier how converting AC voltage into DC voltage.